So hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna see how we're gonna use a new AI image generator which is CGDream. So at first we're gonna go to Google and search for CGDream. Now search. Now here is the website, a new AI image generator. So I'm gonna click it. So guys, this is the new latest AI image generator which is completely free for all of us, and we can generate image, we can create control detail of your visual using a 3D viewer. We can convert any image to a 3D model, and we can also enhance image with unique filters. Also we can upscale images for top quality and also modify any part of our images using in painting. So guys, this is a new AI image generator as compared to other AI image generators such as Midjourney or Leonardo AI. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how we're gonna use this new AI image generator. So at first we have come to the website. Now I'm gonna go to start generating for free. So I'm gonna click it. So after sign in, so guys, after signing in you will see this type of dashboard, and just look at the images guys. This is really great, and in this AI image generator you will get 100 of filters. So as you can see, if you click in the filters, so as you can see you will get lot of the filters like 3D cartoon animals and melee opens and neon sign. So guys, this is really good, and as you can see all of the images are really great. So guys, if you are still using Leonardo AI or Midjourney AI, so just stop that and come to this website, because this website is really great. So I'm gonna create some AI images right now. So this is the search option. As you can see, here is also an option called upload, and there is filter, and here we can add our prompt, and here is the generate option. So guys, at first it will say I have already generated some images. So let's see, this type of images I have already generated with this AI image generator. So guys, at first just go to the gallery and you can see what type of image you want to generate. And so suppose like this image, and you can, so guys, just look at the detail of the images, and you can also copy this prompt. So this is the prompt for this image. So, and this is really large. Okay, so I'm gonna need something simple, like I'm gonna add like a warrior in a battle war to the enemy. So guys, I have just added a prompt like a warrior in the battle war to the enemy, and a cinematic view of war. So guys, I have just added a prompt like a warrior in the battle war to the enemy, a cinematic view of war. So now we can select the filter. So I'm going to go to the filters, and let's see which type of filter I want to add. So as you can see, there is Vikings, there is barbarian, and there is melee open air, there is samurai. So I'm gonna need something battle fantasy. So this. So I'm gonna select this, and I'm gonna add some something like Vikings little bit, and barbarian 90, and I'm gonna medieval age really low, and the battle fantasy is really high. So I'm gonna, so guys, let's generate and see what type of image this AI image generator will bring to us. So I'm gonna hit generate. So as you can see, it takes some time, so just wait. So guys, as you can see, this is the image I just generated. Like I just hit a prompt like a warrior in the battle war to the enemy, a cinematic view of war, and I have just select a filters called battle fantasy. So you can see there are a lot of filters like pirates or wizard, horror. So guys, this is really great, and you can get option of there is an option called convert this image to 3D model. So you can convert your images into 3D model, and there is a called change any part of an image with in painting. So there is also an option you want to paint something in the image, so you can get that. And there is a called increase the image resolution with AI. So I'm gonna increase the resolution of this region, so I'm gonna hit 2x, then it will take some time. So guys, this is really great. I had just generated this image with this new AI image generator. So guys, this will take some time, so let's just wait. So in the meantime, we can go to the gallery. So let's see. So guys, this is the dashboard of gallery. So as you can see, there are a lot of images generated with this AI image generator, and this is really good. This is too much in detail of every image. So as you can see, there are a lot of animation type work. There are some the creativity of this AI image generator is just awesome. So guys, it taking more time. So in the meantime, we can come to the dashboard, and here you can see there is a option called 3D models, and there is also called a option called challenge, and you can see the other images as well. So you can copy any of the images prompts. So something like I'm gonna see a new image, something like this one. So guys, this is the image and the prompt is here, and this is a huge prompt. So if you want a in detail image from this website, so you have to hit the prompt like too much detail. Like this image depicts a model soldier acting as an army personal trainer dressed in a casual. So guys, this is a lot of a big prompt. So guys, all you have to do, give as much details as you can to this website, so it will create you in detail image. So this is really great. If I want to download this image, so let's see, I want to download this image. So here you can get an option for download. So I'm gonna download this image. In our previous prompt, we have just upscale this image and just look at this image. This is really great, and just look at the creativity and look at the in detail. So guys, this is really good. I'm gonna download this image. So I'm gonna hit download. So it will take some time to download all of the images. So in the meantime, we can go to the gallery option. So guys, with this AI image generator, you can generate in detail and lots of creativity work with this CGDream AI image generator. So here is also an option called 3D models. So let's see. I'm going to go to the 3D models. So after coming to the 3D models, as you can see, you can also get an option of 3D models. So you can create your 3D models from here. If I go to something like this car, so I'm gonna click it. This is not like we wanted, so I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna need something like this iPhone. So I'm gonna click it, edit your 3D model. So there is the option called 3D models, and you can get your 3D models from here, and this is really good. If you can also zoom in or zoom out, and you can use your mouse to see your 3D models. So guys, this is really great. You will get all of the option in one image generator. So this is really great. You can use your 3D model, you can create your own 3D model, and you can also create your images, and you can turn your images into 3D models. So this is really good. So I'm gonna add a new prompt, something like a Spider-Man. So I have just added a prompt like Spider-Man in the New York City with his girlfriend Gwen, and he is at the top of the skyscraper buildings. So guys, let's see how this will work. So I'm gonna add the filter, something like I'm gonna need So there is a lot of filters like juggernaut, cinematic, sci-fi characters. So I'm gonna need something different, something like let's see, cinematic fire, aircraft, drones, car concepts. So I'm gonna need something cinematic and powerful. So let's see, there are lots of filters here. My goodness, just look at the filters, guys. There are a lot of filters in here. So I'm gonna add something different, something like cyborg style, material glossy, sci-fi adventure, sci-fi style. So I'm gonna need something sci-fi, juggernaut, cinematic. So I'm gonna need something like this, like juggernaut cinematic by Can Do AI. So guys, let's see. I had just added this prompt, so I'm gonna hit generate. So let's see how this will work. So it will take some time, so let's just wait. So I have downloaded this, my previous image. So I'm gonna download this one, and this is the image I had just upscale into 2x. So after downloading the website, I can show you how this image size will be. So guys, just look at the image. I just added a prompt like a Spider-Man in the New York City with his girlfriend Jewel, and he is at the top of the skyscraper building. Guys, this is the result. So if I'm gonna edit like a different prompt, something like robot, sci-fi environment, and I want something superhero type. So I'm gonna add something like car concept. So guys, as you can see, there are lots of filters. You can use this filter to create your any type of images. So I'm gonna need something superhero type. So I'm gonna selecting this like Omen Fantasy, or you can choose for the melee weapons. I'm gonna see with the melee weapon. So I'm gonna hit generate again, and let's see how this will work. So guys, as you can see, this is the output of this AI image generator, and this is really great, and this is my really. So I'm gonna download this image. So I had just downloaded this image. Oh, I had just downloaded my previous image, and this is really great. This is also really great, like a cinematic war type of image. And I'm gonna check the resolution because I convert it into 2x. So after you convert the image into 2x, so you will get 2000 into 2000 dimensions. So this is really wonderful. So guys, as you can see, I have just generated with the same prompt and with the different filter, and this is the result, guys. This is really great. I had just generated two images with two different filters, like a Spider-Man in the New York City with his girlfriend Gwen, and he's the top of the skyscraper building. Guys, this is really wonderful. As you can see, I have just generated 3 AI images with this website. So forget about Midjourney, forget about Leonardo AI. This AI image generator is really wonderful. So I forget to say, here is the option of channel. So you can upload your images to this website, and there is also a option of tournament. So you can so guys, you can submit your images to the tournament, and if you win the tournament, you can get access all of this his website, and you can also win prizes. So this is really great, and just look at every images. This is really great. So you can use this CGDream AI Image Generator to create your image, wonderful images like magical images, cinematic images, robotics, sci-fi, like lots of the things in one AI image generator. So guys, thank you so much. Use this AI image generator to create your all AI image for your project. Like if you see this image, so like this is something image manipulation, and you will get all of the option in this AI image generator. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Use this AI image generator to create your images. So I have just created this image like a Spider-Man with his girlfriend. Guys, this is really great. Thank you so much for watching this video. Use this tool to create your awesome and in detail images for your project. Thank you so much.